Hello friends, welcome back to my channel, and I'm back again with a beautiful painting inspired by the summer theme, the sea breeze, the waves and the fishes. And this painting I have made just like a big splash of color, splash of water. Yes, you can say. And for this, first of all, I'm making the outline with the blue color and the light blue color. That is blue means water and waves and sea and marine theme. So I picked blue and just made a random border, and with a little bit of water all around inside the color. I'm making this area wet, and I'm filling it with light blue color, and on that I'm going to paint on the landscape of the summer vibe, summer theme. So let's cover it first, and now it is completely dry, so you need to wait till it is dry, then only you can make your painting, the trees and the waves and the fishes, or the trees or anything on that. So I waited for a few minutes, and now I'm painting the palm trees. And for this I have used the thin brush, and making it very simply. I think anyone can draw this. This is a beginner friendly art tutorial with watercolor, so I think anyone can try this, and anyone can do this. And you can also paint your own version with more trees, with more waves and like that, but I want to keep it simple. And this is how I'm making the branches of the palm trees, and one branch is dry, you can see. So for that I'm using the brown color, because usually on a tree you can see the healthy green leaves and also the brown or the yellow branches along with the green branches. And with a little bit of light green, the lemon green, uh, I am making a little bit of highlight here and there so that it should look like a sunny day, right? And some parts of the big branches are lighted, and the same way I'm going to paint another tree. This is another palm tree. I think this is the simplest way I can make a painting of the summer theme, summer vibe, with the seaweeds and the marine theme, the capturing the spirit of vacation and relaxation, right? So I have also used minimal number of colors like the marine blue and light green, dark green, and the brown. And yeah, that's all I think. Um, so anyone can follow, anyone can do, and you can have your colors and start painting with me, because this is very easy, and also I am doing the painting very slowly. And for the borders, you have to uh, be careful with your hands and your brush, because what happens, for the straight lines you can use the masking tapes, right? But for the zigzag or the wavy lines, I don't know how to use the tapes for the borders, to protect the borders for spilling the color, for spilling here and there. Yeah, I can do that just by hand and just by controlling your movement of your brush and your hand. So that's what I'm doing here. And yes, you can start painting along with me. This would be very enjoying, very relaxing. And for the deep water, for I'm using the deep blue, and for the border area, for the beach area, I am using light blue. Okay, so this is how I'm going to make the painting. And If you are new to my channel, please like my video and subscribe to my channel and share my videos with your friends. I already have so many paintings of landscapes and waves and mountains, and yes, jungle and trees and some birds. So you can go and watch them and share with your friends, and please be with me, please support me, please stay with me and enjoy the moment, enjoy my painting, and enjoy summer and enjoy the season. And I hope you find this useful. And with this note, I want to say bye bye. Have a good day. Bye bye.